Hi everyone. In this video I want to show you one of the new things that we're building here. Now you can see here this is a three tier wire shelf. I really wanted to turn this into a desk, so I am building a desk top to go with this. Now, this is what I have come up with. What we have here is I already drilled these. Drop it in there, have that there, and it anchors between these elements here. So when I screw it down, there are four of them. One here, there. There's just no way that this thing travels. It doesn't tilt. It doesn't wobble. The wheels have a locking mechanism. There are two wheels that lock. So once it locks, it stays in place. I have actually been using this as a desk to do the electronic work, and I liked it so much, and it's that not only does it the height of it lends itself to be a standing desk, but it also with the shop chair that I have, I can actually sit down and take my time and work slowly on the project. I have two sliders here, and these sliders are going to extend the working area. Everything else here in the shop, it is on wheels. This is the top for the very top. I have some brackets that I screwed into this. And then this will slide onto them. Underneath, we're making a drawer. Not only will it be a drawer, but it'll also be the another working surface. Everything here was done with materials that we had on stock. So there was no extra. We didn't have to go out and get anything else. The sliders, I went to a yard sale, and I found something like I think it was 16 sliders, and I got them for $5. I put them on stock, and then it was a solution looking for a problem, basically. So I had everything here, and the project is going along quite well, as you can see. Here I have cut some of this perf board. I also painted it with a very heavy oil paint, so that way the finish will last for a long time. I have done this on other things before, and it has produced some excellent results. I decided to go with a mix of plywood, with thin 1/4 inch plywood, and smoked plexiglass for the cover. So now it's gonna roll out. I'll be able to open to reveal some of the designing tools, such as my calipers. Things like this will be inside the drawer. So here we have the drawer system. 4 holes on here, and they go anchored underneath with some very simple anchors. So that way I can remove this at any time. That I have built the drawer around this. So now you see how much real estate I will have once this is done. There, I finished the groove for my this is how this is gonna go, right around there. So the groove there is very important because it allows me to have it flush over here and not lose anything to any warping due to the hardware. So we continue. I included inside in here a power strip. I have a hard time finding a spot for this. This is my wire welder, and the wire welder is is pretty big. So this is his provisional spot right for the time being. And now I have the drawer. The drawer opens. This is about 1 inch in depth. That completes this project. I'm very happy with the outcome. I have some matting that I'm planning to put inside inside here. And that will allow me to place things so it doesn't slip. I am extremely happy with the way this came out. I did snag myself at one point while I was working on it, so that made me print some bumper corners. So now if I rub against it or bump against it, I'm not going to get injured. It's rigid, yet it is soft enough to prevent any further injuries. So with that, I am happy that I have completed my my tech table.